Welcome to Freedomfully, where we cultivate your retirement journey together.
What if the most beautiful thing you could do with your hair was simply let it be exactly what it is? That's the invitation we're exploring today, the profound, practical, and deeply personal journey of embracing your natural silver hair. This isn't about giving up, it's about showing up, fully, authentically, and with the quiet confidence that comes from being at peace with your own evolving self. Let's begin with the psychological truth at the heart of this conversation. For decades, cultural messaging has told us that gray hair is something to be managed, concealed, fought. The beauty industry has built an enormous business on that message. But here's what that narrative misses: the human need for congruence, the alignment between who we are on the inside and how we show up on the outside. When we spend time, money, and energy maintaining an appearance that doesn't reflect our natural selves, there's a cost. A quiet, ongoing friction between internal reality and external presentation. Embracing silver hair resolves that friction. It is, at its core, a profound act of self-acceptance. And that acceptance has a piece to it that no salon visit can replicate. There's also something worth reclaiming here. Historically and cross-culturally, gray hair has been a mark of wisdom, authority, and experience. The elder with silver hair was the one the community turned to. Somewhere in the last century, we lost that. Embracing your silver is, in a sense, a quiet act of reclaiming that archetype, stepping into the role of the elder who knows herself and doesn't apologize for it. Now, practically speaking, the transition period is real, and it deserves honest acknowledgement. If you're growing out dyed hair, you'll navigate what's sometimes called the line of demarcation, the visible boundary between your natural growth and the dyed ends. This phase typically lasts anywhere from 6 months to over a year, depending on your hair length. A few strategies that help. If you're open to it, a shorter cut is the fastest resolution, removing the dyed ends in one liberating step. If you prefer to keep length, a skilled stylist can weave in highlights and lowlights that soften the line gradually. You can also embrace the transition itself. Use accessories, change your part, lean into texturized styles that naturally blend contrast. And keep a simple reminder of why you made this choice somewhere visible. On the days when doubt surfaces, your why is what steadies you. For handling outside commentary, because it will come, usually well-intentioned, have a simple, warm, non-defensive response ready. Something like, "I'm embracing my natural color. It feels right for this season of life." Said with a calm smile, it closes the conversation gracefully and opens the door to a much more interesting one. Once you're fully silver, the care is delightfully simple, but specific. Silver hair is structurally different from pigmented hair. It tends to be drier, sometimes coarser, and more susceptible to yellowing from sun, minerals in water, or heat styling. A purple or violet shampoo, used once or twice a week, neutralizes those brassy tones and keeps your silver cool, bright, and intentional looking. A deeply hydrating conditioner at every wash is non-negotiable. Add a monthly deep conditioning mask to restore moisture and softness. Before any heat styling, use a protectant. And if you spend time in the sun, which I hope you do, a UV protective spray prevents the yellowing that sunlight can cause over time. For styling, the cut matters enormously. A sharp, modern cut is the single best accessory silver hair can have. Clean geometric lines, a structured bob, a chic pixie, long layers with movement. Any of these makes silver look intentional and sophisticated rather than incidental. Lean into your hair's natural texture rather than fighting it. And let your accessories do some work. Silver hair is a stunning neutral canvas for bold earrings, beautiful scarves, and frames that light up your face. Here's the financial and environmental dimension that often surprises people. Going gray saves real money. The average woman spends hundreds to thousands of dollars annually on professional color maintenance. That money, redirected, is a meaningful addition to your retirement freedom fund. And the chemicals in conventional hair dye, including ammonia, peroxide, and paraphenylenediamine, are washed down the drain every 6 to 8 weeks, entering water systems. Choosing to go natural is a direct personal reduction in chemical environmental load. Here's my question for you today. What was the single most liberating moment in your journey toward embracing your silver? The moment you decided to stop, or the first time you received a compliment, or the day you looked in the mirror and genuinely loved what you saw. Share your story in the comments. Your silver story belongs in this community, and it will mean more to someone reading it than you might imagine. If today's conversation inspired something in you, please give it a like and share it with a friend who might be on the edge of this decision. Subscribe to Freedomfully and tap the bell so you never miss a new conversation. Every silver strand is a mark of a life fully lived. Wear it with everything you've got. Shine authentically as you cultivate your freedom fully.